After you have completed all assignments in your project, return to the project and complete the Assess Your Skills After activity. You will see the same series of statements which you will use to evaluate your skill level again. Rate each statement from 1 to 5, as explained in the directions. Select the Next button to advance to the next statement. Select the Submit button to save your scores. You will now see a comparison of your before and after scores. Use these to reflect on what you have learned in this project. Review the conclusion page and close the project. On your education transcript, things have changed. Notice that the other projects in Level 1 are now unlocked. On the left, the Curriculum Progress Tracker now reads 5%, and the Level Progress Tracker shows 25%. There is also a check mark on the Icebreaker project, indicating completion. You can return at any time to review the information included in the Icebreaker project. Also, notice that the burgundy button to the right of the Icebreaker has changed to Evaluate. You have the opportunity to give feedback about the project you just completed. To do so, select the Evaluate button. Follow the prompts to complete your evaluation of the project. Please note that the opportunity to evaluate is only available for 10 days after project completion. After you submit the project evaluation, the button has now switched back to Launch. If you would prefer not to evaluate the project, you can still access the content by selecting the arrow adjacent to the Evaluate button and selecting Launch. Now you can select the next project you would like to complete in this level, Evaluation and Feedback, or Researching and Presenting.